What's going on, traders? Welcome to my stream. Today's Wednesday. I'm still getting ready for the season. As of right now, the market is a little bit slowish, so we're gonna get back into it as you can see so here. Pretty much this market has been a little bit slower side. Probably I've been taking profits around 10 20 cents. 10, 20 cents, 10%, 20%, something like that. It's nothing really substantial, but there were a couple of trades that worked out. So right now it's just pretty much base hits, primarily what we've been doing here. Um, Primarily what we've been doing is a base hit. So the reason I wanted to make this video is I want to remind everybody that Black Friday sale is over tomorrow. You can head over to my website. You can head over to my website, and we're issuing a Black Friday sale. So this Black Friday sale is going to be over in about 2 days here. So make sure you go to my website, take advantage of my Black Friday sale. You go to my website and you click Black Friday sale. Around 2 days, 10 hours, 26 minutes, and 56 seconds. So that's probably gonna end probably in Friday. Is it Friday night? Friday night that's going to end. You can take advantage of it. And pretty much what I did on this Black Friday sale, I pretty much included my trade ideas as a part of your education trade ideas package. So I bundled in, and I pretty much gave 20% off. I think only $200 off. I gave $50 off, and this one, it's almost like if you want to get the lifetime on my website. It's down from it's down from 2,500 a month, 2,500 lifetime. So if you were gonna go to my regular website, regular plans, it's 2,500. So right now, the Black Friday sale, you can get it for 1650, and it includes my trade ideas bundle. That's lifetime. So that means like you don't have to pay next year. You're just here set for the next 4 years, or 5 years, or 10 years. And I intend to do this for a long time. So the 12 month is 1,000. That's it includes my trade idea settings and my 6 month. So as of right now, what I've been working on is primarily my course. A lot of traders don't really understand the type of, the amount of time that I put into. You can see me talk about my course over here in this slide over here. Um, you can see me talk about my course right here in this slide. And a lot of things that I want to talk about is that pretty much I combine AI to use my data. So for each strategy that I have, a lot of you guys, so I have a called so I have a a, a stop I have a course coming up, and you can see so here that the course is almost complete. This course is going to be complete, and I'm actually working on it right now. And you can see so in the video section I have around, this is already uploaded to the cloud. So if you buy the course right now, you can pretty much just download all these chapters. Right now, I added all the chapters right here. What I have been doing on the course, I added all the chapters right here. I used ChatGPT again to add how much. So I already have 10 hours uploaded right now. So the thing that I did different on my course, you can see that I have a different chapter here on AI data. So we're gonna discuss like my AI data. So you can see so that in my 52-week breakout chart, I discuss in my 50. You can see so on my website, because you get pretty much if you go on right here, if you see my right here, my 52-week breakout chapter, this is about an hour. This is like a preview. So I pretty much used all these slides that gave them, they were all 52-week breakouts, and I pretty much put them. I asked AI to pretty much go and discuss all my trades. So I did this for all my strategies. You can see so here the thing that you want to get out of this is that whether it has news or not, most of them did have news using my 52-week breakout, and most of them had a really nice float underneath around 10 million. The majority of the tickers were under 10 million. This is a really nice one. So you can see so in my sample size of 18 here, I have trades from 2023, 2024, 2025. You can see so right here, and you can see that, when did I enter pre-market in the morning, pre-market in the morning, so majority, so you can, the details on it. It's pretty much important. Strategy types, January effect, VWAP reclaim, trip. So I use different strategy to enter my pre-market breakout strategy. I use different strategies here. The type of setups that I use, the float, what did I actually make, and how much I left on the table. You can see so here that I left a lot of money on the table, primarily on the 52-week breakouts, because you can see, actually these 200% ones are not really accurate. Only the ones that are 20% to about 60%. I don't think I made 140%. So, I'm working with AI. So this is just one strategy. So right now, what I'm trying to get you guys to see is that, for each chapter, each of my strategies, you can go in my, strategies right here, chapter 4 strategies, and you can go to buying, 52-week breakout, daily breakout, day 2 continuation, first green day bounce, first 7 a.m. push, and then I have intraday patterns, opening range, pre-market, trend line, wedges, and then I have VWAP setups that are going to be uploaded. VWAP after 9:30, VWAP before 9:30, VWAP, after the open, right at after the open. So those are important. And I have shorting. I have gap up short, day 2 shorts, and day 3 short. I have different type of strategies here. So this is just the strategy. So what I did was in my strategy section, I pretty much in my strategy section, I pretty much loaded all the data, all the slides, and I loaded into AI. So you can see that, in each strategy that I'm using, you can pretty much understand what I've been doing. Like right here you have the 52-week breakout. This is the slide we were just discussing. It tells me never to short 52-week breakouts, never short big runner, never short the January effect, always wait for breakouts before entry, always holds VWAP. It's like these are like key data you wanna be looking at and understand. Like what is my average percentage gain on like the first big mover? You can make like 300% on the first big mover if you hold it long enough. That's exceptional. How much were the flows? Like these types of data are like, you're pretty much your bread and butter right here. So you can see like, so I have 20 examples on a 52-week breakout, but that's, I have 15 different strategies. So that's 52-week breakout. I have, I have a day 2 continuation, day 2 short, first green day bounce, pre-market 7 a.m. push. I have pre-market breakout right here, and I have using trend lines as well. So I have like six strategies that I uploaded here, and I'm going to take this data and I'm going to input into AI, and I'm going to discuss, the similarities between these tickers, and the similarities and where to enter and where to exit, the float, what time of day, what kind of news, like everything. And about 10 hours of my course is already done right now. But I have another I'm working over the weekend to get the course done. And the AI data is going to be tremendously valuable because you will know what to expect. For example, if you go into my first green day bounce, let's kind of just load it up a bit so you can understand what happened. I understand that if I use my first green day bounce strategy, my average percent gain was 31%. So this is just one strategy. I have 15 different strategies. So you'll know what to expect if you buy it perfectly. And my sample data was 40 trades. And this is just, understanding, what to do in a cold market. I have pretty much everything in there. And I have right here, pre-market breakout strategy. Look how detailed this is. Look how detailed it is. So pre-market breakout strategy. I'm sorry, let me, right here. This is the pre-market breakout strategy. This is from the course. Right here, look, I have 27 examples here. What was my average gain? What was the float? I know exactly what to expect. Average profit 21%. I have notes here which you need to read through. This is just, I cannot share with you all this vast amount of data. So that's just a preview of my course that I've been working on right now. On top of, and I have about 10 hours finished already. So so this is extremely helpful for me using AI and inputting all my trades and understanding all this data. So, right now we're doing the Black Friday sale. If I'm sure we're gonna get a bunch of members, and you can click through my Black Friday sale. It ends in 3 days. Right now, what the market has been doing lately, I've been just taking base hits right now. We traded Amber today, and I was just trading it up around here from 250 up to 280. I think I made 30, 40 cents here. Sadly, sadly, this ticker is kind of selling off. That's kind of like what's happening here. And it's just and then we had another ticker called Key TTA today, which is pretty decent. That's been moving around. But what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna primarily, I primarily been focusing my energy on you know finishing up the course because I have another 3 weeks to finish. So right now it's 10 hours. For those that pre-purchased it, you can take advantage of my course that's half off right now. After it's released, is gonna be full retail price, which is gonna be, more than twice and a half of what you're paying right now. So, it's gonna be an expensive course because there's a lot of data in it. Each strategy has 40 to 50 examples in it. That's a lot of data that I'm expressing with you guys. That's a lot of data. And I have 7 different strategies or 10 different strategies of how to buy them, how to short them, and what to do. Because when these tickers are going to start moving, which they are next week, you're going to be, kind of left behind because you're not going to be able to, profit from all of them. Other than that, it's going to be a fun time getting together, and just make sure you take advantage of that Black Friday because as soon as this time, goes to zero, um, as of goes to zero, that Black Friday is going away, and we're likely going to increase our monthly price as well as our 3 month, 6 month, and 12 month. We're very much likely going to go a little bit higher, and I just want to and that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see y'all on my next stream. Peace out. Just make sure you know about the Black Friday and the course here.